Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So Becky's joining me here because, well, the 22 Eruption Green Badlands is technically her Bronco, right?
It's my Bronco.
You're the one that drives it all the time anyway. The last video, we're doing a follow-up to the video where I did an oil change, and while I was underneath the Bronco, I discovered our front diff had a slight leak. At least that's what I thought it was. We took it to the dealer, and the mechanic looked at it like right away that day, and within an hour, they had it diagnosed as a leaking front pinion seal. So the front diff pinion seal was leaking, and they had to fix it. So they ordered a part, took a few days to get it, and then it was another couple days to get into the schedule. So the mechanic was already scheduled, right?
The wait was the longest part.
Yeah, no big deal.
But it only took them a couple hours.
Took them a couple hours to actually get the repair done. They cleaned off the leaking fluid underneath, and we took it on a road trip up to, you want to tell them?
Harrisonburg, Virginia. It's about 3.5 hours away.
And a little bit further than that, we went to Luray. And we actually stopped by a pretty cool place on our little road trip, testing out, well, we weren't really, I guess we were testing it, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, a lot of mountain driving.
A lot of mountain driving.
So, but it performed fine, just like always. Couldn't tell the difference.
And we actually stopped by Cooter's Garage. I mean, Luray, Virginia. When you go to Luray, Virginia, you have to go to Cooter's Garage.
And for those of you who are wondering who the heck is Cooter, it's Cooter from the Dukes of Hazzard, the popular old TV show.
Yeah, the Dukes of Hazzard. So the mechanic in the show, his name in the show was Cooter. His real life name is Ben Jones. Super nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
Actually got to listen to Cooter in the Garage Band or Cooter's Garage Band, I think it is. But they played a lot of songs, a lot of older country songs, a little bit of gospel songs too, which was pretty cool. And of course, the theme song to the Dukes of Hazzard. So that was pretty cool. But a lot of mountain driving, back and forth, and then another week of city driving here with Becky driving it the way she.
We've got a lot of miles on it.
Yeah, and
so we're over 10,000 miles now.
Yeah, over 10,000 miles.
Which is a lot.
On the Bronco. And when did we notice this? So we think, I noticed it right around 9,000,
yeah,
I think it
was about 9,000 miles.
And there wasn't a ton of leakage there, but there was some, and it had been there. So why not?
Problems fixed.
We're Cooter's Garage hat while we're talking about this. Problem fixed, no big deal. Mechanic did a great job. No leaks. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep you updated. So the repair was done. Our road trip to Harrisonburg, Luray, Virginia, and a week of city driving. Becky doing her thing, what you normally do here, riding all over.
Creation.
Putting the mileage on it. Pretty crazy that my 21 Bronco has 6,500 miles on it, and I got it in September. This one was January, and you're just over 10,000 miles. So, but it's pretty cool. So it's not a big deal. It is something worth checking into. You don't want a bunch of fluid leaking underneath your vehicle. What do you think overall?
It's been great. It still drives like brand new. I mean, I couldn't even tell the difference.
Yeah. So anyway, that's it. And if you're ever in Luray, Virginia, western part of Virginia, and Harrisonburg, or what else is up that way?
Not much.
Yeah, not much.
A bunch of mountains. The Shenandoah Valley.
Stop by Cooter's Garage and check out some of the, if you go on Saturday, you'll catch the band between 1 and 3. But check out some of the memorabilia from the show. You can also buy plenty of products. Really cool.
Nice guy.
Yeah, very nice guy. Very nice place there. Pretty awesome. I got to take a little bit of a tour. Maybe that video will.
Yeah, you need to drop that soon.
I'll need to drop it soon. But we got to take a little, sort of a semi-private. Yeah, without music and a bunch of people.
They dropped the ropes for us.
They dropped the ropes for us. It was pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, so look, just want to let everybody know the 22 Badlands is repaired. Front pinion seal was the leak. Took them a couple hours. Done deal. No big deal. Yeah, no big deal. We're down the road. And we have another video coming out hopefully in a day or so where we have a new mascot. No, I wouldn't say a family member. But someone that's going to hang out with us in the Bronco and do some fun outdoor stuff. So I'm Dwayne.
I'm Becky.
And don't forget to please like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We just hit 3,000, and now the next goal is, probably 4,000. So let's get there, and hopefully we're gonna have some really good content for you.
Yep.
And not hopefully, we're gonna have it.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We have a product review coming up too. Actually, we have 2 of them coming up soon, so check it out. All right, everyone. See ya. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you as always, and never know what we're gonna be
See you next time.
doing or filming next. See ya.